Can you please tell me a little bit about the fuse? What is the green and the pink?
Green comes with it.
So the green is already attached to the,
Yeah,
what do you call them, mortars?
correct. But it's the pink fuse that helps these become fast fused. So you get the show going faster instead of delayed one after another type deal.
And you zip tied and then taped over to keep everything together.
Yeah, we're showing that it's easier this way because you can actually transport them. Just like so. Hold well. Saves time having to fuse it while on the site.
Right, so you know what each one already does.
Correct. Reaper. Just hope everything goes as planned. Reaper. Not going near. So I'm doing it this way because they all have a certain effect that I wanted for the end of the show. Each one comes close to what I want for the finale of the show.
Hey. Okay,
It comes out to be about 32 mortars.
Whoa, that's all one? Wow,
There's
look at
9
that.
of these.
That's 9.
So it's just a matter of getting them all in order. Back.
How long did it take you to prepare for the show?
In truth, about 24 hours.
24 hours to wire, fuse, tape.
Dedicated. Wise person, when they have space, would do this months in advance. I don't have the space. I'm not saying I'm not wise. I don't have the space. So I did this in a day. And this is nothing. There's a lot more to go. It's a bit of a puzzle, but we eventually get it. People in the background don't seem to be having this problem. They might have done this already, had them ready to go,
Yeah.
as I said in advance. So, if there's a possibility, I may try that in the future. Just didn't work out this year for us.
Nice.
This one goes in the front. You don't want to overlap them. Unfortunately, then they go off untimed and then you start bumping into each other. So these are all ready to go. I just got to fuse them to the case, the 500 gram case on the end. These will be right behind them. Like I said, I'm going for a certain effect, so these are all specially pulled. Going up.